Grab that, dude. I wonder if I'm talking loud enough. Super cool. Keep it down. Ready. My name is Nick Pinnell, and I am a bird talker. Now, what I do is I'll come down. I'll choose some weird time. I'll come down on July 9th on a Sunday. Come down here at 1 p.m. You know, and I'll use my app. And I have a whole variety of bird sounds on there, and I'll just talk to birds. And different calls mean different things. Now with the crow, I have a whole catalog of crow noises, so I'll just send one out. You rolling? There's a son of a bitchin' crow right up there, and the only person who can get to him is me. Got away. Yes. So we just had a close encounter with Corvus corax back there, the first that I've had today. But he got away. I couldn't lure him in. But I know what their mating patterns and seasons are this year, and we're gonna keep pursuing. Yep. What they do is they form clusters. They're remarkable for their ability to recognize human faces and remember them, even teach their offspring. If I want to get any closer, I'm gonna need a crow disguise. During this time of the season, Corvus corax is typically in a migratory pattern that doesn't last for more than 2 weeks. Let's go. Much of what makes the scrub jay so difficult to track is their uncanny ability to imitate the sounds of a lark bunting. Even more difficult still is the idea that their footprints are identical. But I happen to know the migratory patterns of the scrub jay in early August, so I know exactly what I'm dealing with. Join me.
What is it?
Important ability is when you can actually mimic bird calls through pure tonal qualities. If I could just get up high enough, I could reach it. Piss! I've finally gotten close enough to a scrub jay, but if it knows I'm near, it'll flee. I need to get deeper into the ravine. Breathe it in. Tracking birds. Breathe it in. When I come out here, I seek to become one with the bird. I yearn. I seek the bird. I seek the bird. I must be the bird. I must be the bird. I've always had some difficulty in my ornithology studies during field work because of my completely irrational fear of bees. Bee! So here's the deal. The bird talker needs a crow outfit to get even deeper into the bird society. With your help, we can raise the money required for me to get a crow outfit in which I will get in to immerse myself deeper to evade their facial recognition ability. Thank you.